For this part of the assembly, we're going to be exploring how we can look after our minds to make sure that we're healthy on the inside as well as healthy on the outside. Our mind and body are all connected, and it's really important that we make sure that we have a healthy mind as well as a healthy body. Mental health and mental well-being is made up of how we think, feel and act, and all of these things determine our mental health. Sometimes people might feel excited, happy, content and safe. All of these feelings are comfortable feelings and they make us feel relaxed. However, sometimes we do experience more uncomfortable feelings. For example, feeling sad, lonely, unhappy, angry, stressed or afraid. All of these feelings make us feel uncomfortable and they can sometimes make us behave differently. We can often tell how somebody's feeling by the way they use, move or hold of their body. For example, if I was stood like this, it might be quite easy to tell that I'm feeling quite sad. Teachers, pause the video for a minute and see if you can get any of the children in your class to act out a different feeling. See if the rest of the class can guess what feeling they're acting out. It's really important that we try to keep our minds healthy and reduce any uncomfortable feelings as much as possible. So I'm going to share some tips in how to do that. One of the best ways to reduce uncomfortable feelings is to talk about them. If we were feeling poorly, our bodies feeling poorly, we would tell somebody or go to the doctor to seek help. Our minds are exactly the same. If our mind is feeling poorly and it's got lots of uncomfortable feelings, we need to make sure that we share this with somebody and tell them how we're feeling. Another strategy to reduce uncomfortable feelings is to be able to listen to your body. That might sound kind of silly, but actually the more you know and understand your body, the better you're going to be at dealing with any uncomfortable feelings when they occur. Teachers, pause the video for a minute or just take a minute to listen to your bodies. Close your eyes, sit quietly and think about how are you feeling right now? Are you feeling happy, relaxed, a little bit sad, perhaps stressed? How are you feeling? And how does that make your body feel? Are you feeling quite tense? Are you feeling hot or cold? Maybe a little bit sweaty? How are you actually feeling? Think about what can you feel right now? Once you can recognise how you're feeling, you can begin to help yourself overcome these feelings. It is completely normal to have a bad day and sometimes feel uncomfortable feelings. So how do we overcome these feelings? Well, usually doing an activity that you like or calms you down is a really useful strategy in overcoming these feelings. For example, when I'm stressed, I like to read a book, and this calms me down and helps to switch my mind off. On a whiteboard, can you come up with other ideas and activities that can help us switch our minds off? I'm sure you've discussed some excellent ideas for helping to switch off your minds. Remember, it is really important that we have a healthy mind as well as a healthy body. And it's completely normal to sometimes experience uncomfortable feelings and thoughts. But remember to talk to somebody and continue with your switching off activities. Remember, these will be different for everybody. What works for somebody might not work for somebody else. So start to figure out what helps you to calm down and relax. Over the week, you can continue with some of the follow-up activities to further think about how you can make sure that you have a healthy mind and a healthy body.